Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Maybe after listening to our first reading today, a familiar sound comes to your ears. Father Eddie Hontiveros' song, Pananagutan. And this is the biblical basis of the lyrics of the song. Walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang, walang sino man ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Tayong lahat ay may pananagutan sa isa't isa. None lives for oneself and none dies for oneself. For if we live for the Lord, and if we die, we are for the Lord. And maybe we can ask ourselves after hearing such, how is the Lord responsible to us, His children, to all of us here in this world? Paano nga ba managutan ang Diyos sa atin? And the gospel today would like to answer such question. Na ang Diyos kapag managutan ay hindi mapili sa kanyang mga paborito lamang. Not on the level of favorites, but He is responsible and loving to those who would need it. And sometimes to those who won't even have a chance or a sense to experience such love, such mercy, and such kindness. A man had 100 sheep and he lost one sheep from his own presence. At ginawa niya ang lahat. Hindi niya hinayaan na mawala ang isang ito. At sinabi niya, dito na lang ako sa 99, since they are behaved, they are well, I don't care with you. A woman had 10 coins and she lost 1 coin. And she swept all of her household. At hindi niya pinabayaan yung kusing na iyon and told herself, since I have kept 9, bahala ka na dyan. Maalikabukan ka na o kaya madumihan ka na. Basta meron naman akong 9. But God's responsibility, God's pananagutan, is not about my favorite only, my choice only, my number 1 only, but sometimes and all of the times, it is to those who are in most need of it. To what is happening around us, my dear brothers and sisters, throws the challenge of pananagutan. Madaling ipakita ang pananagutan sa mga taong malapit o kilala lang natin. Tutulungan ko lang dahil kaibigan kita. Tutulungan ko lang dahil kamag-anak kita. But a lot of our brothers and sisters in Cebu cannot even enjoy a decent clothing right now, or cannot even complete 5 meals a day. To some of us who are enjoying it right now. Maybe a lot of our brothers and sisters can't even afford to show themselves and would hide because of anxiety, depression, mental illness. Kasi hindi natin sila kaibigan, hindi na natin sila ipagdadasal, wala na tayong pakialam sa kanila. Pero hindi po ganyan managutan na ang Diyos. Ang pananagutan ay hindi para sa mga paborito lamang. Ito ay para sa mga nangangailangan nito o sa mga hindi pa nakakaranas nito. Let us extend and open our eyes to those people close to us, and maybe to our own selves, to those hard even to understand and love. They might need our love and mercy, at sila po ang ating ding pananagutan.